Mr. Darwin, in your time, the cell was often imagined as little more than a tiny blob of living material. Today, let us step inside one.
Inside a cell? Then I suspect I am about to discover how little we truly knew.
The moment we enter, it resembles a nanotechnology factory, crowded, active, and astonishingly ordered. Nanocars walk along microscopic tracks, carrying proteins, vesicles, and other cargo to precise destinations.
They look almost like tiny transport vehicles moving along roads. But who directs all this traffic?
Information is stored in DNA within the nucleus. But RNAs, proteins, enzymes, membranes, and signaling networks, an integrated system in which every component depends on many others.
And such continual activity must require an immense supply of energy.
Exactly. The cell uses ATP, adenosine triphosphate, the energy currency. Mitochondria continually regenerate it. An adult human may recycle an amount of ATP roughly comparable to his body weight in a day. ATP is broken down and rebuilt again and again.
So the cell does not carry a vast warehouse of fuel. It maintains a rapid recycling economy.
Precisely. Energy demand varies. The bees flapping their wings at about 250 times per second while sipping nectar consume energy at a rate 200 times greater than you do in a second. Even bacteria, which reproduce nearly every half hour.
We expected that the cell is contained within a membrane. Is that not so?
Far more than that. The cell membrane is the brain of the cell. It regulates what enters and leaves through special channels and pumps. Has receptors to detect signals from the environment, thin, flexible repair itself if needed, among many other functions.
Then the membrane can distinguish between substances, respond to environmental, changing conditions, and communicate with other cells.
Yes, it must also grow, and bend its fluidity must remain within a workable range as temperature changes. None of this is the work of the membrane alone. It depends on proteins, energy, genetic instructions, and coordinated repair systems.
This is amazing. In my time, we could never have imagined such complexity. We debated how organisms changed. Yet we did not understand the minimum organization required for even one living cell.
A major mystery is that proteins, enzymes, are essential for copying, repairing, and interpreting DNA. Yet the instructions for producing proteins reside in DNA itself. This raises the puzzle. Which came first?
Then the origin of the first functioning cell is very unlikely to have started spontaneously in a warm little pond, as I have imagined. It is one of the greatest mysteries in the whole story of life.
Indeed, the cell is a dynamic, self-maintaining, and information-directed system in which energy, transport, communication, repair, and reproduction must work together. It is irreducibly complex. Because it cannot gradually develop, almost all its elements must have been present from the beginning. A scientist likened the mystery of living cells to a mountain. The higher you climb, the taller the mountain appears. Now we know that randomness can never explain either the origin or the diversity of organisms. Let us talk about other shortcomings of evolutionary theory.
And what may that be?
The Earth's system of life and its element.
You mean the animal and plant kingdoms?
Well, in fact, now we know there are 6 elements. In the coming episodes, Darwin will discover that each element is designed to maintain the system of life as we know it.
For a more detailed discussion, see Hassan Nasrat book, The System of Life, a scientific perspective on the origin and diversity of creatures, available on Amazon and as audiobook.